If you don't recognize termite damage, you will allow the infestation to grow and spread. This is a mistake that can cost you between $2,000 and $5,000, sometimes even more. Watch this video to avoid this fate, because we will show you exactly how to recognize termite damage. The first sign of a termite infestation is mud tubes. If you ever see those, you need to act immediately. I'll tell you why in a moment. Mud tubes are small tunnels made of mud that termites use to travel from their nest to their food source. These tubes are usually found near the foundation of your home, but can also be found in other areas like walls and ceilings. To identify mud tubes, look for small tubes or tunnels made of mud that are about the width of a pencil. The reason why this sign of termite activity is so crucial is simple: only subterranean termites build mud tubes. This is the most destructive species of termites. You don't ever want to ignore signs of these termites in your home. Call a pest control company right away if you see mud tubes on your house. The second sign of a termite infestation is damaged wood. Termites feed on wood, which leaves behind telltale signs if you know what to look for. To identify termite damage, look for wood that is hollowed out or has been damaged. You may also notice small holes in the wood, commonly called termite pinholes. If you knock on this wood, you may notice that it sounds a bit hollow. This is a common clue that termites have been eating away at it. The third sign of a termite infestation is termite droppings. Termite droppings, also known as frass, are small pellets of wood that termites leave behind. To identify termite droppings, look for small piles of pellets that resemble sawdust or sand. You will usually find these piles near wooden walls. You will also likely find tiny holes in the wood above the frass piles. This would confirm termite activity. The fourth sign of a termite infestation is clicking sounds. Termites make clicking sounds to communicate with each other since termite workers and soldiers are blind. To identify clicking sounds, listen for a faint clicking or tapping noise coming from walls or ceilings. Keep in mind that these sounds are not very loud, so you should wait for the night when everything is otherwise quiet. Since termites don't sleep, they will be just as active during nighttime. The fifth sign of a termite infestation is tight-fitting doors and windows, or doors that won't close anymore. Termites can cause wood to warp, which can lead to doors and windows becoming difficult to open and close. So if you ever notice that a door or window in a wooden frame becomes stuck, termite damage in the frame might be the cause. However, you should confirm this theory by listening to clicking sounds and looking for termite damage, tiny holes, or termite droppings. It's important to be able to recognize these common signs of termite damage, but that's not all. The biggest danger of termites is that they tend to be in places that you are not. Infestations commonly occur in the foundation, basement, crawl space, or in the attic. So you have to spend some time at least once or twice a year and go through all these termite hotspots. For a full guide on proper termite inspections, click the video that is on screen now. If you want to keep your home safe from termites, subscribe to our channel now. You will learn everything you need to know to protect your home and your loved ones from unwelcome pests like termites.